everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Selectel account login. From the login you're going to be able to apply a new plan, check your data usage, and even see last phone calls that you've made. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that, and I'll show you how to navigate through that. Okay, so this is the Selectel Wireless homepage. Now up in the upper right hand corner you're going to see we have our customer service phone number, and then just over here we're going to have the account login, so we'll go and click on that and let that go ahead and load up. Now that that's up, we're going to go down here. If you have not set up your account yet, you don't have a password or anything, down here below the login it says you got to register your phone number, so we're going to click on that part. And then right here we'll be able to put our phone number and our email. So if you go ahead and put your number and email in there and hit send, it should send you a new password to your email address. Back to login. When you check your email, you're going to find a registration email. On there, it's going to have your phone number and then a temporary password. So now we'll go and enter that information in here and click Login. Now, after clicking Login, this is what you're going to find. I can see from here my data usage, as well as how many minutes I have and what plan I have. So I can always check that. If you have the unlimited plan like I do here, you're going to show just unlimited. That's the information you're going to get. But I can see how many megabytes of data I've used. Obviously, I haven't used a lot, so it's just kind of a dummy account. And then I can come over here. I can select that phone number, and I can even type a nickname in there. So I want to say that's John's number. So now when I look up at the account, nickname, I have John. Alright, down here we're going to be able to change our password, because if you checked out that email, that password's generally just some random numbers and letters and stuff. So if you want to create something that's a little easier to remember or something a little more meaningful to you, you can go ahead and do it there and just click Save. Now this is kind of the My Account section, which we have over here, and like I said, that's going to show you most of that information that you want. So we're going to go and click on Renew Plan, and when you click Renew with Credit Card, this is where you're going to be able to renew your plan. So if I go ahead and enter that phone number in, then it comes up with this. This is where I'm going to be able to pick what plan, be able to pick how many of them, and I'll be able to select it. And then from here I'll enter my information. This is a completely secure website, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Click Send, and your plan is going to be applied. It's that easy to do online. So that's an excellent way to renew your plan if you don't have time to go in the store or don't want to have to get out there. Right here online can be done very quickly, very simply. So this is the AutoPay site. From here we'll be able to see whether or not this line is on AutoPay. Right now it is not set to AutoPay. If I want to, I can go and click this Activate, and that's going to bring me up to enter all the information that I want to, and then click Activate AutoPay. And then every month on that date that I decide is when they're going to go ahead and run that for me. So if I ever want to set up to be automatically deducted off of my credit or debit card, that's where I can go. It's right there. Right here I can get basically that same information that I was able to get on the My Account. I'll just select my phone number and hit Submit. And right here I'm going to be able to see the plan that I have, how much I've used, what my expiration date is, and then down here I can actually see my last outgoing calls. So you see there's calls and how long you were on the phone. So that's a pretty cool little feature. And then there's also a customer support chat, where if you have an issue and again you can't get in the store, you don't want to call or anything, some people just enjoy that, you go ahead and click on this, and that brings up our customer support line here. I put in my name, my email, and I start the chat, and then I can ask whatever question that I'm having, and they'll be able to take care of it. So when you're all done with that, of course, you come down here, you click Log Out, and it's taken care of. Alright, well, since now we know all that, I encourage you to go on that website, check it out, create your account yourself. You'll be able to do your plan, check your usage on your own, handle all of that. As always, check us out online at www.selectelwireless.com to find a store near you. Like us on Facebook, and if you have any other questions, you can always contact our customer service line. Have a good week.